Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna make Japanese pork Mazesoba. For ingredients, let's check down below. For the noodle, I'm using the Japanese ramen dry noodle. But if you couldn't find this, you can use any noodle you like. Now, for pork, you will need 1 pound of ground pork, dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, garlic mince, the white part of the green onion, half dice, sugar, Chinese 5-spice mix, and white pepper. To make your pork a little bit thick, you will need water and cornstarch. Now, for tare, which is the base, you will need chicken broth, light soy sauce, and vinegar. For topping, you will need togarashi, which is chili pepper flakes. If you don't have it, you can use chili crust or gochugaru, which is Korean chili flakes, egg yolk. This is furikake, which is usually you can find it on the Asian mart for seasoning for rice. This one is nori or sesame with seaweed, garlic chopped refined, seaweed or nori, green part of the green onion, and corn. Now, let's start cooking. In your pan, put some oil, and then you want to turn your heat to medium heat. While your pan is still cold, you want to add the onion, the white part of the green onion, and then about 2 tablespoons of garlic. You want to cook this until everything became aromatic. Now when it became aromatic, you just want to add your ground pork. I'm gonna turn my heat to high. So when you see the pork is about 80% cooked, I'm gonna put about 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, two tablespoons of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, about 1 teaspoon 5-spice mix, and then about half teaspoon of pepper. Now we're gonna cook this until it's completely cooked. So when it's done, you want to lower your heat to medium and then thicken the pork with the cornstarch and water. After you mix it well, just turn off your heat and we're gonna put this on the side. For tare sauce, you will need half a cup of chicken broth, 2 teaspoons of vinegar, and 2 teaspoons of light soy sauce. We're gonna bring this to boil. Now when it starts boiling, just mix it and then turn off the heat. Our tare is done, and then now we're gonna start cooking the noodle. Always check the instructions or your package whether you wanna cook it for 4 minutes, 5 minutes, or 10 minutes. So in my case, I need 4 minutes to cook the noodle. So when water starts boiling, just put it in. And we're gonna cook this for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, just turn off your heat, and then we're gonna start assembly. Now we have all ingredients. Let's start assemble our ramen. First, you wanna put about 1 ladle of your tare that you just made, the noodle, and then all the toppings. I'm gonna start with garlic, about 1 teaspoon, togarashi, this is to your liking, furikake, green onion, corn, the pork, and then egg yolk, last but not least, we're gonna put some nori. And there you go, your Japanese pork Mazesoba is ready. Give it a try, enjoy, and that's it for our today's video. If you like this video, please give us a like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.